What's going on, guys? Demigod FX here. So before we get into the video, we got the best broker in the game. Okay, the link is in the description, guys. If you guys want to join the best broker in the game that still provides service for MT4 platform, okay, one of the best platforms you could ever trade on. Okay, guys, I got custom indicators for that platform that you cannot get on TradingView. Okay, guys. So if you guys want access to the trading room, which is free, okay, go ahead, use that sign up link in the description, guys. Once again, the best broker, get access to the Telegram trading group. Hey, guys, let's get it. Let's get into the video. Boom. What's going on, my people? Demigods, demigoddesses. What's going on? What's going on? So today we're going to get right into it. We're going to do NZD USD. We're going to do a quick markup. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get up into it, y'all. You know, that's what y'all came for. So first thing is first, we got this NZD USD chart pulled up right here. So you can either start on the H1 or the H4. It doesn't really, matter. But me, I like to start on the H4. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to see where the market has come from. So it looks like it's come from this area here. And since it's come from this area, it hit the zone once, hit the zone twice, hit it 3 times, right? And then we started doing some uptrending type of behavior, right? So now that we see that, and we don't know where the markets come from, excuse me, we can go ahead and mark this zone down right there. Boom, boom, and then pull it all the way across so that that's a possible TP in the future, guys. So also zoom the chart out so you can see why the market itself went down in this direction, because it didn't just go down just to go down. Okay, guys. So if you zoom out a little bit, like I said, I'm on H4, and we can see that right here we see a zone, okay, of where the market hit. Okay, let me get my little paintbrush. Hit it once right there, hit it twice right there. Okay, guys. I was gonna say it even hit in the past a little bit. It did really. Okay, it did. It gave us some structure right there, there. Broke through it. Okay, so let's break this down a little bit. We going down, hit it once, hit it twice, and we broke through it. Okay, came up from the bottom, hit it again. Now, that's a valid zone right there, right? Support, turn, resistance. Okay, let's go ahead and move it over. Move that over. Okay, one right here for us. Okay, now once this pair is going for us, we should be good, because now we see that we have some structure right there. Okay, this was on Friday, I believe. It's going on Friday. So we could have took advantage of that little drop right there. How much was that drop? Let me see. That drop was about 100 pips. Took advantage of that drop. So let's go ahead and see how we could have took advantage of that drop. So we got like I said, an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, cool. Now we've broken this structure over here. Okay, structure, this previous higher high. Okay, we've broken that. So let's go ahead and mark up our line 1, 2. As you can see, boom, we broke through it. Okay, cool. Wait, I deleted that by accident. 1, 2. There we go. Okay, so here's our trend line starting from the start point. And as you can see, when we make the trend line, we didn't say, let me put it here, here. Took it from, let's erase this. We took it from the points that are coming up. Okay, took it from the points that are coming up. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3. See how that straight line goes up to those lows? Okay, we're not gonna make the trend line what we want it to be. Okay, we're gonna make the trend line what it is. Okay, 1, 2, and as you see, go up 3. Okay, we are getting that, and if you make correct, you can get these correct. That's correct. You can get these correct. Let's go ahead and take the other side of the trend line. I like to make it a channel. You don't have to make it a channel, but it just makes it a bit more. There we go. it makes it a bit more visually appealing. For two, it keeps you in line a little bit better. Okay, so that you know, okay, now this is the trend channel. This channel is a fake type of thing going on. Okay. Now, now we got these highs. Okay, being tracked. Okay, we got these highs being tracked by this trend line. We got these lows being tracked by this trend line. Okay. Now we already have our upper level and we have our bottom level. Okay. Now we've got all the major stuff out of the way. Let's go down to the H1 and see how we could have taken this trade. Matter of fact, let's do this. Let's replay it back to about right here. Okay, cool. All right, so let's replay it to the back to about right here. So now that we are right here in the trend, would have taken a buy off of that bottom trend line. Yes, stop loss in there. Boom, boom. We would have been in profit, what, in 65. Pip been moving your stop all the way here. Okay. Now you're looking for it to go up into this zone here. Yes, we are most definitely are looking for that 190. But we should be moving our stops all the way that the market is moving up. So that when it does go, we're, we're popped out with profit in the bag already. Okay. So, okay. We then proceeded to break out. Wait, there we go. And so we broke out of the trend here. Now, even if your stop is not in profit here, when we break out of this trend line, you should still be in profit with your position and you should just exit out right there because we've broken out of the trend. Okay. Officially broken out of the trend. Okay. We should not be looking for, okay, stop hunt, none of that stuff because clearly a stop hunt is in or a counter that breaks low and then jumps back up. Okay. Let's break this down. We did not jump back up. This is a 4 hour chart. So we boom came out for 4 hours, again hit off the trend line for 4 hours and came back for 4 hours. So that's 12 hours. Okay. Boom. That's not a fake out. Okay. Definitely not a fake out. Okay. Now that you see this break here, definitely not a fake out. Okay. So now that we see this break, wait for some kind of retest up into structure, up into something like that. Something like that, and then give us a lower high. And to give us an entry, something like that. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Okay, once we see the break of that trend like that. Okay, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a retest. Now, do not get into this because it broke out. Do not do that. We don't break out trades get killed. This is why. We're waiting for this to come back up. That's not ready yet. See, that's not ready yet. It didn't hit nothing. That ain't ready yet. It didn't hit nothing. See, it didn't hit nothing. You see that? It is not ready yet. Okay. Now, if you need a little bit of extra confluence, you can do this right here. You like a little something like that over there. And then once this thing boop does whatever it wants to do, and if it comes back below this level, then you can get into a sell. If you want to be extra sure about the trade, if you don't want to in anywhere here or anything like that, higher highs, you can get it on the lower high. No, on the lower high. Okay, I would do the higher high though. That's just me. Let's go ahead and see how it continues to go. Okay. Nope, not yet. Boom. Okay. Candle. Nope. They see the candle didn't close yet. The candle didn't close below it. See what I'm talking about? Very tricky. Boom. So now we hit that top level that we was at. Okay, we broke out of this trend, went up, and it hit the top level. Okay, we didn't. A lot of people wait for the breakouts and the retest of the trend lines. Why are we waiting for the retest of an imaginary line that we drew on the chart ourselves? Putting it in perspective, why would a multi billion, however much Forex is worth, business be put on the shoulders of a line that you can put anywhere on a chart yourself. Okay, we're not trading off of these lines unless we're inside of the line and bounce off of it. Boom. That's the only time we're trading off of, because it's a self-providing prophecy. Okay, self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay, because many traders are doing that, and yeah, you can get on the boat of many traders, but just know that they're gonna get killed eventually. Okay, now watch. Oh, boom. Okay, so that would be my entry. I'm not gonna lie to you. That that's a amazing candle pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing candle pattern. 4, 8, 12, 16-hour candle pattern right there. Amazing. That's my I love that. That up, boom, down, boom. I love that. Love that. So now we get into that short. That's just me. Let's do 50 just to be cool with it. Okay? Just to be cool with it. TP, TP somewhere down there for me. For me, myself. Myself, and I. You feel me? Me, myself, Irene, we over here chilling with it. You feel me? In profit. But anyway, look. So, as you can see, let's see if our stop even gets hit. That was Friday, I believe. Okay, so look. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, let me see if I can enter another one. That don't look good. Mm. Oh, we got a little bit of a. That's a stop. That's a inducement right there. Okay, that's an inducement. I would still be in there. I'm not gonna lie to you. Whoop. And guess what? I'll get in another one. Right? Well, let me see. Right, yeah, right there, right there. I ain't gonna even. Right there. I'll also be up there with take profit. Be down here with that. Cool. That's where I would get in. I ain't gonna lie to you. Being that bitch twice. Being that bitch twice. What are we saying? What are we saying? This is how you guys do it. What are we saying? Okay? What are we saying? I'm in that bitch twice. What are we saying? What are we saying? What are we saying? Do you see? This is how you trade. Okay, you don't scalp the market. You don't day trade. You don't place a trade a day. You don't try and be like everybody else with the funded accounts. No. You trade logically. You don't have to have a funded account to make a lot of money trading. You have to be consistent and know what you're doing. Okay? This is how you do it. Period. This is how you do it. Now look, check it out. This is how you do it. Check it out. Check it out. This is how you do it. Okay, now look. From there to there, we up 84 pips. Cool. There to there, we up 65 pips. Cool. All right, plus 84. Look, I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't feel like counting. So as soon as this, come on. There we go. Jesus fucking Christ. Come on. I'll throw your ass out the window. Hurry up. Damn. Oh, goddamn day. So you got about 150. Okay, cool. Whatever. So you got 150 in that joint right now. 150 pips right now. You could have edited that joint out, waited for your retest at this level, got back in at this level, and been cool for the week prior. You know what I'm saying? You could have been cool because that's what we are right now with New Zealand dollar. So that's how you could have caught 100 some plus pips with New Zealand dollar, and we're still in this. Okay, we are still in this. Okay, still in this. Now I'm kind of looking for, you know, a little bit of a maybe a retest or something like that. Something like that. Okay. And then a breakdown. I'm looking forward to do something like that. Okay. Because it's broken out of this trend. It's retested, retested two, retested three. And it's come down. So now you can what? High, lower high. Okay. What's next? Lower low. What's next? A lower high. So that we're going to just follow the trend all the way down. And that's all we do. That's all we're going to do. And if we lose a trade, we just lose a trade. That's all. We know what the trend is going to be. You know, until then, let's see. Let me see. So we got about what? 200, almost 300 more pips to go. We can make some good profit with 300 pips. We could just take one trade, get a pips, and be cool. So now we know the probable direction market is going to head next is going to be probably down because we started seeing these low highs right here. You got a high, a lower high, and broke structure to the bottom. Okay. How do we break structure? I'm going to just one more time, guys. We got a high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high, right here. We broke structure. So we broke those highs. So now what's it look like? We're headed to the downside. You know, we ain't gonna overcomplicate it. You know what I'm saying? Trading is not about overcomplication of systems. Not about none of that. It's just about using your brain and just looking at what's going on. That's it. And knowing that we don't break out. We don't take breakout trades. What we don't do, we wait for it to retest, no matter how long it's going to take to retest. And look how long it took. It took this thing. Some people failed trade. Now, the thing broke out right here. Now it took it 6 days. It took it that put this in perspective. Do it one more time. Since the bottom of the breakout, it took this thing to make a lower high. It took this thing 8 days. And 120 pips with 28 candles. Dudes are catching breakouts right here. Don't do that. What would your stop be if you caught this breakout at this zone right there? Okay, zone right there. Okay, zone right there. Okay, zone right there. What happened there? And we see what happened there. It got hit. Smack, smack, smack. So it took 8 days to retest it. So you got to just have patience and know that the market is going to retest higher than what you probably expected to do, more than likely. It's probably why you're not profitable yet, because you're waiting for it to retest at a certain level, but you're not waiting long enough. You get me? You can never wait long enough for a trade. You could always enter a trade too early and lose money. You can never lose money by not entering a trade. It's impossible. It's impossible. So if you keep that in perspective, you will lose money if you enter early. It's a given. You cannot lose money if you just build your patience and build that skill set of patience. Okay, you cannot lose money doing that. You can, but it's less likely that you will lose money going that route. Okay, guys. Again, so that was my little 2 cents of the day. In the video description is gonna be a link to the best broker, right? Best broker in the game, right? And also I'm gonna drop a link for my training course coming soon, guys. All right. So again, it's your boy Ro. Hey, thanks for coming, demigod, demigoddesses. Peace. I'm out.